More than 80% of drivers are damaging their automatic cars every single day without even knowing it. And just one of these mistakes could land you with a $4,000 to $5,000 repair bill. Stay to the end because mistake number 1 is the fastest way to destroy a transmission. I've seen thousands of cars roll into the shop with problems that were 100% avoidable. Today, I'm exposing 15 stupid mistakes that are killing automatic cars every day and how to stop doing them before your wallet suffers. Mistake number 15. Shifting without stopping. Shifting from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling is mechanical abuse. You're forcing clutches and gears to instantly reverse direction under load. Key line: 1 second of patience can save you $4,000. Fix: always come to a complete stop before shifting. Mistake number 14. Ignoring the recirculation button. Hot day? Fresh air mode makes your AC work 3 times harder. Cold or foggy? Recirculation traps moisture. Rule: summer, recirculation on. Winter/fog, fresh air on. Do you shift into drive before fully stopping? Do you ever drive with the fuel light on for days? Have you ignored a check engine light hoping it goes away? Comment below which one you're guilty of. If this video is already saving you money, hit like and subscribe right now because the mistakes get more expensive from here. Mistake number 13. Running on empty. Your fuel pump lives inside the gas tank and depends on fuel for cooling. Running low equals overheating pump and sediment damage. Cost: $400 to $800 fuel pump replacements. Fix: keep your tank above 1/4 full. Mistake number 12. Ignoring warning lights. Dashboard lights are early warnings, not decorations. Check engine, oil pressure, transmission temp. Ignore them and the repair bill multiplies. Fix: scan the code ASAP. Mistake number 11. Not using the parking brake. That tiny parking pawl inside your transmission is not designed to hold your car's weight. Result: broken pawl equals transmission teardown. Fix: parking brake every single time. Mistake number 10. Coasting in neutral. Neutral doesn't save fuel. Modern cars cut fuel in gear. Neutral equals less control plus more brake wear and drivetrain stress. Fix: stay in gear. Let engine braking work. Mistake number 9. Revving a cold engine. Cold oil is thick oil. Revving cold equals metal on metal wear. Fix: idle 30 to 60 seconds, then gentle driving for the first few miles. Mistake number 8. Staying in D on hills. Riding brakes downhill overheats brakes and transmission fluid. Fix: use L, 2, or S mode for engine braking. Mistake number 7. Driving through deep water. Transmission vents can suck in water. Water plus ATF equals instant clutch damage. Fix: avoid deep water unless the vehicle is designed for it. Mistake number 6. Skipping oil changes. Old oil turns into sludge. Skipped oil change equals seized engine. Fix: follow the manual, not TikTok. Mistake number 5. Ignoring transmission fluid. Lifetime fluid means lifetime of the transmission. Dark or burnt fluid equals danger. Fix: change ATF every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Mistake number 4. Sitting in drive at long lights. Torque converter keeps generating heat while stopped. Heat equals transmission killer. Fix: long stops, shift to neutral. Mistake number 3. Overfilling oil. Too much oil causes foaming, pressure spikes, and seal failure. Fix: stop at the dipstick line, never above. Mistake number 2. Warming up the car wrong. Idling 10 minutes doesn't help modern cars. Fix: 30 seconds idle, then gentle driving. Mistake number 1. Flooring it on a cold transmission. Cold transmission fluid flows poorly. Hard launches equal clutch pack damage. Fix: drive easy until temps rise. If even one of these mistakes saved you money today, do 3 things right now. Like this video, comment which mistake shocked you most, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Next video: stop overpaying. 13 tire brands that destroy Michelin and Goodyear. Your car deserves better, and so does your wallet.